Wait, before you post that picture of your latte or your avocado toast, think for a second. Is it really just food you're sharing? Or is it a secret snapshot of your personality, your habits, even your deepest insecurities? You might think it's harmless, but science says your Instagram meals could be revealing way more than calories, and some of it might surprise you. So stick around, and let's dive into why posting food online says way more about you than you think. First, let's be real. Why do we post food at all? It's not just because it looks good. Psychologists call it a form of digital self-expression. Every photo is a little message to the world saying, "This is who I am." Let's see some of the expressions. Identity signaling. People often share meals to show who they are: vegan, keto, dessert lover, Michelin star explorer. It's basically saying, "This is me in edible form." Each tells followers something about your lifestyle, values, and even your cultural identity. Mood sharing. Feeling stressed? Posting chocolate cake or comfort food is basically saying, "I need a hug." Scientists call this emotional contagion. Your mood spreads through your posts. Social currency. Some researchers suggest that posting fancy or trendy meals can actually boost social status. If your avocado toast looks perfect, your followers might unconsciously think, "Wow, this person has their life together," even if they don't. But here's the twist. Your food doesn't just show who you are. It can also reveal who you want people to think you are, sometimes without you even knowing it. Psychologists have found something fascinating. The food you share can actually reflect your personality. Let's break it down. Health-conscious posters. If your feed is full of salads and smoothie bowls, research shows these people often score high on conscientiousness, organized, disciplined, and goal-oriented. Comfort food lovers. Obsessed with burgers, pizza, ice cream, or cheesy fries. Studies suggest these posters might be more socially oriented. You value connection, you are fun, you love sharing experiences and connecting emotionally with friends. Adventurous eaters. Sushi in Tokyo, street tacos in Mexico. People posting these tend to score high on openness. Posting exotic or unusual foods can reflect openness and curiosity. They're the ones more likely to try bungee jumping and backpacking through unknown countries. Foodie braggers. And yes, the look at my charcuterie board crowd often enjoys status signaling, but don't judge too harshly. It can be harmless self-expression. And just when you think it's all fun and games, your food photos might actually be revealing more private things than you think, things you didn't mean to share, like secrets about your health, lifestyle, or even your habits. Here's where it gets juicy. Every food post can be a window into your private world, sometimes obvious, sometimes subtle. Researchers call this digital breadcrumbs. Here's what you might be revealing. Lifestyle patterns. Frequent brunch posts. You might be revealing your weekend routines, favorite spots, or even your city. Socioeconomic cues. Fancier meals or imported ingredients can hint at income level or lifestyle choices, intentionally or not. Health and dieting clues. Sharing every smoothie, protein shake, or indulgent dessert can sometimes hint at your health habits, body image concerns, or dieting behavior. And if you thought this was just harmless sharing, think again. It can even affect how others perceive you in surprisingly subtle but powerful ways. Here's the good news. Posting food can still be fun, social, and aesthetic. You just need a little mindfulness. Here's how to post mindfully. 1. Ask yourself why you're posting. Is it for fun, social connection, or validation? 2. Mix it up. Balance indulgence with authenticity. Don't feel pressured to look perfect every time. Your followers appreciate realness. 3. Think about privacy. If you're sharing lifestyle details you'd rather keep private, consider who can see your posts. 4. Enjoy the experience offline too. Sometimes, the best meal memories don't need a camera. Think of it this way. Every photo is like a little window into your life, sometimes clear, sometimes blurry, but always telling a story. So next time you hit share on that pasta or pastry, remember, you're not just posting a meal, you're posting a slice of yourself. And if you want, you can make it fun, clever, or even a little mysterious. Curious what your followers are reading from your food posts? Comment on your favorite meal below.